Python makes use of several shortcuts. For example, a plus equal to b is the same as a is equal to a plus b. Similarly, a minus equal to b is the same as a is equal to a minus b. Star star is the exponent operator. So even this can be used in shortcut. A star star equal to b is the same as a is equal to a star star b, and so on. So in the previous Python program, if you want, you can write answer is equal to answer star I may be written as answer star equal to I, because this is a shortcut for that expanded form. Now let us write a Python program to display all the even numbers between 2 and 10. So you can start with the keyword for, followed by some variable name e for even numbers, followed by the operator in, followed by range function. For loop should end with a colon. Now how do you write the range function? All the even numbers between 2 and 10. So starting with a 2, 10 means the second argument should be 10 plus 1, 11 in steps of 2. So what is the meaning of this piece of code? Range function returns all the integers starting with a 2, ending with a 10 in steps of 2. So it is 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 8 plus 2 10. The answer should be displayed. So here you can write print e. Save your file, run the program. You can see all the even numbers between 2 and 10. Suppose you want the answer to appear in the same line. What do? You can change the ending character. Ending character equal to space. Space. So you get all the even numbers between 2 to 10 in the same line. Now suppose you want to display all the even numbers between 2 to 1000. So what should I write it as the second argument? 1001. You get all the even numbers between 2 and 1000. You can see. Yeah, the last even number is 1000. Suppose you want to find the sum of all the even numbers between 2 and 7. So here I should write 8, isn't it? 7 plus 1, 8. So even numbers between 2 and 7. If you want to find the sum, in the previous video tutor I explained 3 changes are there. What is change 1? Print statement should be replaced with the answer variable equals answer variable plus general term, and here the general term is e. Answer variable should be given the initial value 0. Certainly you should display the answer. You can write print answer. So here you get all the sum of all the even numbers between 2 and 7. So it is 2 plus 4 6, and 6 plus 6 12. Okay, so the answer is correct. Now if you want to find the sum product of all the even numbers between 2 and 7, changes, plus will become star, and answer variable should be given the initial value 1. You can see the answer. Product of all the even numbers between 2 and 7, 48, because 2, 4 and 6, 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 6, 48. So the answer is correct. Now suppose I want to display all the odd numbers between 1 and 10. How do you write the code? Start with the keyword for, followed by variable name example o, followed by the operator in, followed by range function. For loop should end with a colon. How do you write the range function? Odd numbers between 1 and 10. So 1 comma 11 in steps of 2. So how do you get the answer? Range function returns all the numbers starting from 1 ending with a 10 in steps of 2. So it is 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. So you get all the odd numbers between 1 and 10. Certainly the answer should be displayed. Don't forget that. Oh. Now see, when you give variable names, it is better to avoid the variable name O. You may confuse this with a 0. Okay, so in a computer program, don't make use of variable name O. There is a chance for confusion. So let me replace that with a OD. OD for odd number. Now suppose if you want to find the sum of all the odd numbers between 1 and 10, what is the change? Print statement should be replaced with the answer variable equals answer variable plus general term, and here the general term is OD. Answer variable should be given the initial value 0. Certainly the answer variable should be displayed, only then answer will appear in the computer's monitor. Maybe odd numbers between 1 and 7, so here 8. It is 16, so because 1 3, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, so the answer is correct, 16. Suppose you want the product of all the odd numbers between 1 and 5, so here you can write 1 and 5, so 6. Product means replace plus with a star. Answer variable should be given the initial value 1. The answer is correct because 1 3 5, 1 into 3 3, 3 into 5 15, so you get the product. Now if you want, you can use the shortcut here. Okay, so answer star equal to variable name OD, you get the same answer 15 because this is only a shortcut. So remaining Python programs based on for loop in the next video tutor.